Chatgpt is a chatbot that uses artificial intelligence, AI, to generate human-like text-based conversations. How it works. Chatgpt is trained on large amounts of text data, such as articles and conversations, to learn the structure and patterns of language. It then uses this knowledge to generate responses to user prompts. What can it do? Chatgpt can answer questions, write content like essays, social media posts and emails, and even create code. You can also ask it to refine its responses by providing more specific instructions. So if you haven't got on the AI bandwagon, it's time, because it makes things much easier for you.